Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to send or receive money with Wise? Here's a super quick guide on how to link your bank account to Wise in just 2 minutes. First of all, open a Wise app or go to wise.com. Now log into your account on the Wise desktop site. Once you are in, tap on your name or profile icon and go to account settings. Now go to the connected accounts. Or if you're receiving money, go to balances, then add account details. Or if you want to send money, go to the recipients tab. Choose the currency like USD, Euro, then enter your bank details. Click connect your account. Follow the prompts to select the currency of your account. Enter your bank details. Now review everything, confirm, and you are done. Wise may ask you to verify your identity, especially for new users or large amounts. If your bank reports instant linking, you might verify through online banking. Otherwise, Wise may send a small test a deposit to confirm. Just enter the amount when prompted. Once verified, your bank account is linked. Now you can send, receive, and withdraw funds smoothly with Wise. And that's it. Your bank is now linked to Wise. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.